Have you ever wondered why shrimp with lobster sauce has no lobster? Let me show you. Ready in 10 minutes. Here we have some deveined shrimp, seasoned shrimp with salt and white pepper. Sprinkle cornstarch over the shrimp to keep them juicy and tender. Mix well. Add oil. Mix to coat evenly. This helps prevent sticking during cooking. In a wok over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the shrimp. And stir fry for about 1 minute until they turn lightly pink. The shrimp will finish cooking in the lobster sauce later. Remove and set aside. In the same wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add ground pork and cook for about 2 minutes. Despite the name lobster sauce comes from Cantonese lobster dishes made with pork, egg, fermented black beans, and stock. When shrimp replaced the lobster in Chinese restaurants, the name stayed. This is why there is no lobster in lobster sauce. Add the garlic and ginger. Stir fry for about 10 seconds. Add chicken stock. Season with salt and white pepper. Bring it to a boil. In Boston and parts of New England, this dish is often made with a brown sauce. If you prefer that style, simply add a little soy sauce and fermented black beans. You can also add peas and carrots at this stage if you like. Return the shrimp. Stir cornstarch slurry and pour it into the wok. We have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix until it is thickened. Most people scramble the egg in lobster sauce. Here's the restaurant trick. Slowly drizzle in the beaten egg. Wait a few seconds until it sets. Then gently stir in one direction to create soft egg ribbons. Finish by adding scallions, sesame oil, and mix a little at the end. Do you like peas and carrots in lobster sauce, or no peas and carrots? Drop a comment and share with us. You can pair this with steamed rice and a refreshing cucumber salad on the side. Follow for more Asian recipes and check out my cookbook for foolproof dishes. Thank you so much for watching.